All right, time check, 6:29. I got someone coming. Let's see how long this takes. This is where the magic happens. I'm gonna put these on the side. Somebody wants these, but he wants more picks. This is what I was looking for. Let's see what we got here. $275, $40.19. $275, $40.19. Tires are actually like new. I have like 50 miles on them. See how long this guy takes. All right, so guys, here 6:37, not too bad. Let's see. For the tires, right?
Yeah. What's the build date on them? Yeah, a bunch of crazy fucking
20.
numbers.
It's 20.
35th week?
Yeah.
20?
So it's like 3.5 years old because it's.
Alright. What color come out of?
I don't know. I get a lot of tires.
Oh, alright.
Let's see. Let's check this one for you. Yeah, it's the same 3520 right here.
Okay.
You want me to help you load it in the car?
You don't have to.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine.
All right. All right, cool. All right, thanks, man. I'll put this here. I gotta take the cart back in.
Alright, thanks.
All right, thanks a lot. So that was a quick and simple sale. It doesn't always go that way. Sometimes it's just a big It's a big disaster. So you guys will see that in the future. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.